all been watching. Maybe you haven't, because I'm never around much anymore. I apologize for that. I've had a super busy summer here with this trips and building and house renovations, and just everything's been changing. So, been super busy, but I didn't forget about you. We're back. Do you remember the Prostreet 72 GMC? Well, it's all done. We got her sitting out here in the field of dreams. So let's take a look at her. Let's take a look. And there she sits. Now when you drop it right down, the bumper literally lays on the ground. Got the cowl injection hood. It's got a big block in it, probably around 550, 600 horse. Owner kept it clean, didn't put a bunch of chrome on it, just wanted a nice clean look. Custom made frame under the back. That's why the floor in the box is raised up so far. So that way there, we can drop down. Now I'm not going to open this because my hands are dirty and greasy. You're just going to have to believe me. And you open the tailgate up, right center here, when you open the tailgate, is an indent, and the fuel cap's right there. You fill it there rather than in the center of the box. I wanted to keep it with that nice flow going on, if you know what I mean. Custom made wheels, one-offs, exhaust out the side. Got the nice rolled beveled edge on the body line, as you can see. She's a beaut. If you go back to some of my Instagram pictures, you will see this truck running. I didn't bring the key out here with you. Like I said, all of a sudden it's getting late in the day and I completely forgot, and I'm greasy, but at least I can do is show you the truck. Sean did a beautiful job getting the body laser straight. Look at that. He is the man when it comes to body work. Just looks gorgeous. Aftermarket gauges in there. Everything is over inside the glovey. All your air system, all your computer for your engine. It's got the fuel injected up on top there, right? It's not carbureted. It's got the stock looking radio and heater in there, but all the gauges are also hidden in the glove box for the heater. It's got vintage air heat in it. So when you close the glove box up, you never know, everything's just tucked away. There we go. Yeah, it turned out absolutely beautiful. Beautiful truck. Now the owner's going to take it, he's going to get it polished. Usually what they do is they're going to polish it, then they're going to ceramic coat it. He's not going to wet sand and polish, because if you look at this paint job, the paint job is pretty much flawless. There's very, very, very little orange peel, and all paint jobs have orange peel. But this one just looks stunning. So he's going to get it polished, and then they'll ceramic coated. What that does is it kind of keeps the rain and the dirt and the shit off it. Not that he's going to be driving it out in that weather, but it just helps to keep it cleaner. It's the latest thing going out there nowadays, is ceramic polishing. Don't ask me about it, don't write to me about it, just look it up online. I haven't done it to anything of my own yet. Probably never will, because I don't give a shit about my stuff. It is what it is. So that's it. There you go. So the 72 will be on the road. Now, like anything, with anything we build, the customers take them, they drive them for a while, and they always come back. There's always something that needs to be tweaked, or there's always a rattle, or there's always a squeak. There just is. When you build a vehicle from the frame off and the customers insure it, and they take it out and drive it, like, realistically, and people don't want to do it, when you build a vehicle for someone, they should actually insure it and let you have it for a week of driving it. Because there's always going to be bugs to work out. And if you think there isn't going to be, there is. And it's pretty hard when it's not insured and you can't drive it. All you can do is move it around the lot to know how things are or what they're going to do. You don't know if a leak is going to spring up or the brakes are going to work properly or anything. You don't know what's going to go on. So it's nice when people can insure them and let you drive them. Dan threw insurance on here. We took it out a few times up and around the block here and there to check it all out. It seemed okay. I mean, we didn't do any like major driving with it, but we probably put 30k on it, 25, 30k, just up and around here. And it seems alright, you know. Nothing's rattling or squeaking or going wrong with it yet. So he'll drive it, and if something goes wrong, he'll come back. We stand behind it as long as it's something that's, you know, an issue of ours. And that's just the way it is when you're doing builds. So anyone out there, if you're getting someone to build your car, and all of a sudden, you know, you bring it home from the shop, and you're like, well, God, I've been driving it for a month now, and I've put 1,000 miles on it, and something's rattling away. Don't get mad at the shop. They couldn't drive it. They don't know. Just bring it back to them and say, hey, I got a rattle. Let them look it over. That's just the way it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always a good time and old time. And I'll see you next time.